You have appointed as a curator
Below.
in the state government.
Below.
Huh?
My lord.
How the central service is required to be counted for the purpose of extending ACP in the state? Sir,
Pensionary
we
benefit.
are repeating. Central government service could be counted for the purpose of extending ACP benefits under the state government.
If total length of service is not taken into account, Lord,
That cannot be taken into. Only state service is.
one has been allowed to me. For another, Lord, a screening committee, Lord, has recommended.
Sir,
But
yeah.
that has been rejected.
You understand our question?
Lord, that I have.
Then you show us some law. We are also repeating the same thing. You are also repeating the same thing. Yes, take down.
It may come, Lord, after some time, Lord. After 10 days, Lord, I'll make endeavor.
Not even a single minute.
This appeal is directed against the order 8/1/2019, Lord, passed by Honorable Single Judge, Lord, by which Lord, writ application of the Lord appellant has been rejected erroneously. What has happened in this case, Lord? In the year 1962, petitioner was appointed on the post of Lord Technical Assistant in central government, Lord. And Lord, till 1918, Lord, he served there. Subsequently, Lord, there was vacancy, Lord, for the post of curator in the state government. Lord, appellant finding himself eligible, Lord, applied for the.
Sir, you have appointed as a curator
Below.
in the state government.
Below.
Huh?
My lord.
How the central service is required to be counted for the purpose of extending ACP in the state?
Lord, now, Lord, appellant has retired on 34th.
Sir, first of all, say, sir, central government service is required to be counted for the purpose of extending ACP benefit in the state of Bihar. How is it permissible?
Lord, my simple prayer is, Lord, Lord, as Lord, entire service rendered to different departments, Lord, is counted for the purpose of, Lord,
Sir,
pensionary
we
benefit.
are repeating. Central government service could be counted for the purpose of extending ACP benefits under the state government.
If total length of service is, Lord, taken into account, Lord,
That cannot be taken into. Only state service is
appellant
counted.
has served, Lord, 35.5 years, Lord, to the central government or a state government.
Sorry, mister. Any provision of
There was recommendation also, Lord, to
provision of law. You are entitled to service benefits towards the fixation of pension, not for ACP.
one has been allowed to me. For another, Lord, a screening committee, Lord, has recommended.
Sir,
But
yeah.
that has been rejected.
You understand our question?
Lord, that I have.
Then you show us some law that service rendered in the central government is required to be counted for the purpose of granting ACP benefit. That's all.
For that purpose, Lord, I may need some time, Lord.
No. We will not. We will permit you to file review. If you have any material, you can file review.
Since, Lord, decision has been taken by authority, Lord, behind my back, no notice has been given, no opportunity of hearing has been afforded to me, Lord.
No notice
And
is
Lord,
required. No notice is required. You are asking for only ACP benefit. The
my
service
Lord,
rendered in the central government is required to be counted for the purpose of ACP. That's all.
for that purpose, Lord,
There is no provision of law.
I'm making a prayer before my Lord that Lord, it may come, Lord, after some time.
No, you are permitted to file review. You can ask for review of our order if there is any law. I don't think any such law. It all depends on state government, central government. Only for the purpose of pensionary benefits,
Let me,
it could be counted provided state provides any provision of law.
Lord, basing on that principle, Lord, in my humble submission, Lord, for the purpose of, Lord, granting ACP, Lord, benefit, entire period should have been counted, Lord. That my humble submission.
We are also repeating the same thing. You are also repeating the same thing. Yes, take down.
It may come, Lord, after some time, Lord. After 10 days, Lord, I'll make endeavor.
Not even a single minute.
I'll endeavor
Not even
to
a single minute.
find out some, Lord, verdict of Honorable Apex Court, Lord, so that.
Sir, that is the reason we will permit you to file review. You can ask for a review of our order if any law is there. Yes, take on. In the present appeal, LPA, appellant has assigned the order of the learned single judge dated 8/1/2019, passed in CWJC 121 of 2015. This is a core question for consideration. The present appeal is whether appellant services rendered in the central government would be counted for the purpose of extending ACP benefit in the state government, state of Bihar or not? ACP scheme is governed by the, is evolved by the state government. The appellant could not apprise this court with reference to scheme of ACP, how the service could be counted for the purpose of extending ACP benefit. Unless there is a provision to count the service rendered in the central government would be counted for the purpose of extending ACP benefit, the appellant is not entitled. On this point, the appellant could not apprise this court that there was a provision to count service rendered in the central government for the purpose of claiming ACP benefit in the state of Bihar. The light of these facts and circumstances, the appellant has not made out a case so as to interfere with the order of the learned single 8/1/2019 passed in 121 of 2015. Accordingly, LPA stand dismissed.
Some observation Lord with respect to.
What observation? Show us law. We will fairly admit that our order is wrong.
For that purpose, Lord, I was praying.
Huh?
For that purpose, Lord, I was praying for some time, Lord, to find out.
The time is not granted. You can file review.